Right. Next one. Land and building are sold for rupees 6 lakh through a broker commission. Through a broker who charged 2% commission. Listen, land and building was sold 6 lakh. 6 lakh cash is comes in. Okay. Here, whenever the cash comes in, what is the journal entry? Cash account debit. Cash account debit. So what is value here? 6 lakh. What is value here? They are given 6 lakh. Cash account debit 6 lakh. But will be paid 2% commission. Will be paid 2% commission. What is the commission? 2 by 100. 2 by 100 into 6 lakh. What is the commission value? 2 lakh 12. Commission value 12,000. Commission 12,000. Total sales 6 lakh. Out of 6 lakh will be paid 12,000 commission. Remaining value 5 lakh 88,000. Remaining value received 5 lakh 88,000. Cash comes in, what goes out? Here, land and building here goes out. Land and building goes out. Land and building is a real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Land and building is goes out. That's why we mentioned land and building account. But previously, all the asset other than cash, all the asset is already transferred to realization account. That's why here to be mentioned as realization account. Realization. For the realization account, 5 lakh 88,000. 5 lakh 88,000. 12,000 already we paid for commission. Here being land and building. Land and building realized. Land and building realized. So what is the next one? The next one, the last one. Next one, the last one. Profit on realization. Profit on realization 90,000. What is the journal entry? Any profit or loss be distributed to old partner in OPR. Who are all the old partner? Old partner Akash and Revant. Akash and Revant. For the OPR 3 to 2. The OPR 3 to 2. Yeah. The profit 90,000. The profit 90,000 to be distributed to Akash and Raven. Whenever the profit is distributed to the partners, whenever the profit distributed to the partner get benefit. Partner get benefit. That's why the partner account should be credited. Which is distributed profit and loss account? That's why it can be mentioned as profit and loss account of revaluation account. Okay, how much amount? 90,000. It's debit. How much amount? 90,000 will be distributed to old partner. Who are all old partner? Old partner Akash and Raven Kumar. Akash and Raven Kumar. That's why Akash account debit. Akash account credit. Then to Raven account credit. Raven account credit. So what is the value here? 90,000 right will be distributed to 3 is to 2. 90,000 3 is to 2. It means 3 by 5 into 90,000. Then here 2 by 5 into 90,000. What is here? 54,000, 36,000. 54,000, 36,000. Student, any doubt, any clarification in the journal entry? Any doubt, any clarification in the
No
journal?
doubt, sir.
Good. So next question. Next question. Here, it's a very simple question. Listen. Right. Here, what they are given to find out the goodwill. To find out the. Look at the question. Yes, the total capital of the firm, the total capital of the firm, Sakshi, Meha and Meha is rupees 2 lakh. The market rate of interest is 15%. The net profit for the last 3 years, the net profit for the last 3 years, rupees 60,000, rupees 72,000 and rupees 84,000. Calculate is to be valued at 2 years purchase of last 3 years super profit. Calculate the goodwill of the firm. Here they are asking goodwill of the firm. Which method? Super profit method. Super profit. So open question for all. What is the formula? What is the formula for goodwill in super profit method? Goodwill. Anyone? What is the formula for? What is the formula to find out the goodwill in super profit method? Goodwill equal super profit
Minus average profit, sir.
super profit int number of year of purchase. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of year of purchase. How do we find out the super profit? Super profit equal average profit, average profit, average profit minus normal profit, minus normal profit. How do we find out the normal profit? Here normal profit, right? Normal profit formula, capital employed and rate of return. Normal profit, what is the formula? Capital employed into rate of return by 100. Rate of return by 100. Okay, what they are given here, the total capital of the firm already they are given here, and total capital of the firm rupees 2 lakh, treated as capital employed 2 lakh, and the market rate of return. Okay, rate of return here they are given 15%. Then normal profit, will be find out. Will we find out the normal profit? Normal profit before the notification capital employed. Here they are given total capital of the firm. Total capital of the firm. What they are given? Here they are given 2 lakh. Here they are given value 2 lakh. That's why we treated as capital employed. Capital employed of the firm. The firm rupees 2 lakh. Rupees 2 lakh. What else? Then normal rate of return. Okay, they are given market rate of interest. Market rate of interest is normal rate of return, or normal rate of return. Normal rate of return. What they are given here? 15%. That's why normal profit will be apply the formula capital employed 2 lakh, capital employed 2 lakh into normal rate of return 15 by 100, 15 by 100. So what is the answer here? We find out the answer. 2 lakh into 15 by 100, 2 lakh into 15 by 100, 30,000. 30,000. Normal profit 30,000. The next one we find out average profit. Next one we find out average profit. What is the formula of average profit? Average profit, total profit by number of years, by number of years. Okay, what is the total profit? They are given the 3 years profit 60,000, 72,000, 84,000. Apply the formula average profit. Average profit. Here the total profit, right? What is the total profit here to be mentioned? 60, 72, 84. 60,000 plus 72,000 plus 84,000. What is the number of year? 1, 2, 3. Number of year 3. Number of year 3. 60, 72, 84. Okay. That's why average profit can be find out 60,000 plus 72,000 plus 84,000 divided by 3. 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Then we find out the super profit. Sorry, the average profit. Listen here, total of 60,000 plus 72,000 plus 84,000. What is the total here? 2,16,000. 2,16,000 divided by 3, 72,000. Average profit 72,000. Then super profit. We know the formula, right? What is super profit? Super profit, average profit minus normal profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Super profit equals what is the average profit? Average profit just now we find out. Just now we find out average profit 72,000 minus normal profit 30,000. That's why and said super profit 72,000 minus 30,000 minus 30,000 42,000 42,000. Now when we apply the formula, what is the formula for goodwill? Goodwill formula, goodwill super profit into number of year of purchase. King goodwill super profit 42,000. Number of year of purchase, they are given the sum. What the number of year of purchase? Okay, number of year of purchase, they are given 2 year of purchase. Okay, they are given 2 year of purchase. The number of year of purchase 2. Number of year of purchase 2. So 42,000 into 2. Okay, goodwill 42,000 into 2 and said 84,000. 84,000. Student, any doubt, any clarification to find out the goodwill? Any doubt, any
No, sir.
clarification? Right.
No doubts.
Next.
No, sir.
Very good. Next sum. It's very, very interesting sum. Very, very important sum. Listen here. From the following information. From the following information of a charitable dispensary, calculate the amount of medicine. Calculate the amount of medicine consumed particular amount. Okay, they are given stock of medicine treated as its opening stock. Creditor for machinery, creditors for medicine 1 4. Opening creditor, stock of medicine for 31st 3 2019 treated as closing stock. Stock of 1 4 treated as opening stock. Creditor for medicine. Here they are given date 31st 3 2019. Closing creditors. Closing creditors. Then advance for medicine. Advance for medicine on 31 3 2019. They are given 11,000. Then credit purchase of medicine during the year. Okay, they are given 1,50,000. Then cash purchase, they are given 22,000. Okay, they are given 22,000. Listen, student, it's very, 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 very important question. Very important key point here. Whenever they are given credit purchase medicine, no need to be prepared creditor ledger. It means creditor information, right? It's not necessary. Please ignore the information. Then creditor for medicine, Then advance for medicine. Advance for medicine, no need. Why? Because in the sum directly they are given. In the sum directly they are given credit purchase. Whenever they are given credit purchase, no need to be create the creditors. Not to be mentioned here. Will be prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. They will mention the expenditure side. Which side? The expenditure side. They will mention here. What they are given? Credit, right? What the journal? What is the format here? Purchase, right? Opening stock. Purchase, add opening stock, less closing stock. Here, what they are given? Medicine, right? Medicine consumed can be mentioned as medicine consumed. Can be mentioned here. Opening stock. Opening stock for medicine. Opening stock for medicine will be mentioned here. What is the value here? Here already they are given the sum. Stock of medicine. Here they are given 1 for 2018. 30,000. 30,000 will be mentioned here. Then add purchased, and then add purchase of medicine. Purchase of medicine. Here purchase of medicine would be considered the both the medicine, cash purchase as well as credit purchase. Cash purchase as well as credit purchase. At the cash purchase 22,000. At the credit purchase of medicine 1,50,000. 1,50,000 plus 22,000 plus 22,000. What is the value here? 1,72,000. 1,72,000. Then what is the value here? 1,72,000 will be add here. 1,72,000. What is the total here? 30,000 plus 1,72,000. 1,72,000. 1,72,000. 2,02,000. Then less closing stock will be deduct closing stock. Closing stock of medicine. What is the closing stock? Look at the sum. In the sum they are given closing stock. What is the closing stock? Okay, what is the format? Here opening stock, add purchase, less closing stock. Opening stock 30,000, add. It will be add both the purchase, cash purchase as well as credit purchase. Cash purchase as well as credit purchase. That did 5,000. Closing stock value 5,000. Then outer column. When we mention the outer column will be mentioned here. 2,02,000 minus 5,000. 2,02,000 minus 5,000. 1,97,000. Okay. Income and expenditure account. Expenditure side. Medicine consumed. When we find out opening stock, add purchase, less closing stock. Student, any doubt, any clarification? Any doubt, any clarification?
No doubt, sir.